Hey guys, today we are going to make a simple chicken soup that is both easy and healthy. For the ingredients, I have taken potato, ginger and garlic, carrot and onion. And sorry about this, I had already prepared the chicken and its broth before filming. It's actually very simple. Just boil the amount of chicken you need in water with some salt and black pepper. Let it cook until the chicken becomes soft. You can use either bone-in or boneless chicken. I used chicken with bones because we can remove the bones later. So now our chicken broth and chicken are ready. Next we need to sort the vegetables. First I have added garlic and ginger. Sorry, due to some issues I couldn't record some clips properly. After the garlic I added onions, and once onion becomes slightly soft I added potato and carrot. Just because of the gas issue, I'm making this soup on a traditional firewood stove instead of a gas stove. Okay, then I have removed bones from the chicken. Once the chicken cools down a little, just shred or cut it into small pieces. Then I have added some black pepper to the vegetables, and also I added the chicken broth which I already prepared. Then I added the chicken to it. Next step is very simple. I have taken 2 eggs and beat it a little, then slowly pour them into the soup while stirring. If you have corn flour, you can mix it with water and add the slurry to make the soup thicker. I don't have corn flour with me, so I made soup with whatever ingredients I had at home. That's why I said this recipe is very simple. And now our soup is ready. Taste it and check if you need more salt. Adjust it according to your taste. Honestly, the soup needed a little more water. This was actually my first time making a soup, so I'm still learning. The main mistake I made was adding less water. Soup usually need more liquid. Mine turned out slightly thicker, almost like stew. Not exactly stew, but the consistency becomes similar to one. So if you want a traditional soup consistency, just add more water. But the taste was honestly amazing. It has all natural ingredients: vegetables, black pepper, salt, water, egg, and chicken. No unnecessary ingredients, just simple and healthy homemade soup. Do give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Bye bye.